You can change the video speed in Capcut Mobile free tutorial.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial.
Click and select highlight your video clip. As highlighted, click an option which says speed next to animations and you can normal. Even choose to adjust this by dragging to the right. Notice the video is now shortened in length. To the left, now in length. We want to make this faster, so we're going to click the undo button right here. Speed, click curve for adjustments. And so much better because if you click montage, notice how the speed changes. If we click hero, bullet, and you kind of get the point. This is all free in Capcut Mobile, so feel free to mess around. And thanks for watching this tutorial.